Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make it look like some text is carved out of a stone like you see on the screen right now. And we'll make a macro and save it to be reused later. I got the picture from Pixabay. Start out with a text. It could be a text plus or just a text. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. And put the text you're liking in. We'll go with that instead. You're going to want to pick a bold font. Then highlight both of them. Right click. New Fusion clip. Then go to Fusion. We'll go to dual viewers for this. We don't need them. Top one's a text. Bottom one's a picture. Get a Mac control. I'm going to grab the output of the Media 2 by right clicking, carry it over to the Mac control, and put it in the garbage mat. With the garbage mat selected, shift space and shadow. And right click on it, copy, click away, and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. Get a brightness contrast. Make sure you hook this one to the background of the Mac control, the yellow. Put it in the viewer, you can see where it's masked out. Merge the instance into the brightness contrast. Connect the media out, put it in viewer 2. Won't see anything yet. Select the shadow. Go to shadow offset, right click, modify width, pick the result. Now you have a modifier up here. We're going to add a little bit to the distance. I'm going to go 0.004, pretty small text. And open the garbage mat, and you can invert it. Back to the shadow, back to the modifier. The angle, put minus 130. That looks pretty good. Okay, we'll go ahead and make the macro. Highlight everything but the media out. Right click. Macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Put shadow in front of angle. And the distance. Minus 0.01. And 0.01 in the second one. want to make sure you get the garbage mask here on the invert, not this one. Go to File, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Effects. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder. Save your preset in. Once again, make sure you name it different, or Resolve won't recognize it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Okay, we'll bring a picture of marble down. And we'll use a logo this time. Again, highlight them both. Right click. New Fusion clip. And we'll go find our preset. I have to restart Resolve. I'll be right back. There it is. Go with the inspector. You can invert it. You can also invert it here. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.